this word you just gave us a bunch of fun.
Yeah. Thanks, Mike. Okay. So, right from the start of dynamics, here's what I've got. Here's what I did when I made the test. You might recall this sheet that says dynamics on it. There was a 4 or 5 page reading document that I said you should probably read on your own. And there were some questions to go with it about like Aristotle and all that kind of stuff. If you haven't at least had a glance at it, you should do that.
Put word question on the test?
Yes, there are words on the test, Mike. The next thing we did was we reviewed free body diagrams. We reviewed free body diagrams. I would expect you to be able to draw a free body diagram. I would expect you, if I drew a free body diagram, to say yes, that's done correctly, or no, or answer questions about a free body diagram. Okay? The next thing that we looked at was simple introductory net force problems, and you can identify it because Lord Darth Vader is on the worksheet.
I get to give him that one.
Okay, so just very simple net force problems, which is really just adding vectors, really, right? Yeah, so net force, basic stuff. Okay, we then moved into, this is the part where I made the joke about ramping it up a little bit. Motion on an inclined plane. Thanks, Mike, for your reaction. Okay, so we talked about inclined plane, and we learned about, remember, we learned about the force down the plane and the perpendicular force. Remember, one is FD is equal to mg sine theta, and F perpendicular is equal to mg cos theta. Okay? Then I made another joke, Mike, about friction. Remember what the joke was? Remember I said don't let it rub you the wrong way? So there were some properties of friction, some characteristics of friction, some reasons for why friction occurs. Okay? I reintroduced you to my old friend, the Greek letter mu, which is, of course, FF over Fn, friction force over normal force. Keeping in mind that is, there are no units on mu, and generally the number is usually less than 1. Generally, usually less than 1. And then we did some sample questions there, right? There will certainly be some friction problems on the test, right? Both horizontal and inclined friction. We did a little clicker quiz to see where we were at. We did the frictional coefficient lab. Okay, I'm trying to help you guys here.
Okay.
Help me out, please, okay? I haven't marked that, but I'll try to get to it very soon. Maybe today I can get to it, because it shouldn't take me too long to do. We had the clicker quiz to give you sort of an idea where we're at. And then we spent Thursday and Friday discussing equilibrium. And if you were not here, you should watch the YouTube. You should know what the equilibrant is. Alex, can you help us out here with... Equilibrium? Why not?
What am I supposed to say?
Well, what is the equilibrium? You were here, were you not?
That's an equilibrium.
It's the force that holds an object in equilibrium, and it's always equal and opposite to the what? To the resultant, right? To the net force, exactly. The equilibrium is equal and opposite to the resultant. Okay, and we did a variety of problems. We built the bridge. I stood on it. We had a lot of fun. Okay, so yeah, that's basically what you'll see on the test on Wednesday. Okay, so I'll give you this chance today to sort of get yourself together, maybe do some problems, maybe ask me some questions, and then I'll be able to answer them tomorrow.